Empower is a financial management system that helps individuals and businesses track their income and expenses, create budgets, and set financial goals. Here is a step-by-step guide on how Empower works. First, users need to link their bank accounts and credit cards to the Empower system. This allows Empower to access their financial data and provide a comprehensive view of their financial situation. Empower uses secure encryption and two-factor authentication to protect user data. Once the accounts are linked, Empower categorizes the transactions into different categories such as housing, transportation, and food. This helps users to see where their money is going and identify areas where they can cut back. Next, Empower creates a personalized budget based on the user's income and expenses. The budget is divided into different categories and includes targets for savings and debt repayment. Users can adjust the budget to suit their needs and goals. Empower also provides tools to track expenses and stay on top of bills and payments. Users can set reminders and notifications to ensure they never miss a payment. Additionally, Empower offers investment tracking and retirement planning tools to help users plan for their future. To get the most out of Empower, users should regularly review their budget and make adjustments as needed. They should also take advantage of the educational resources and financial tips provided by Empower to improve their financial literacy. By following these steps and using Empower's tools and features, users can take control of their finances, achieve their financial goals, and build a secure financial future. Empower is a powerful tool that can help anyone manage their money more effectively and achieve financial freedom.